Most reward apps don't fail because of earning potential. They fail when something goes wrong, and users can't get help with missing rewards, delayed payouts, or account issues. By the end of this, you'll know 7 reward apps known for stronger customer support systems, what kind of help they actually provide, and why support quality matters just as much as earning speed. Start with why customer support even matters in reward apps. Most issues in these apps are not about earning but tracking. A completed task not credited, a game milestone not recorded, or a payout stuck in review. When support is weak, those problems turn into lost earnings. So good support usually means faster resolution, not just friendly replies. First category is game-based reward apps. These apps often rely on tracking systems that can fail to register progress. Strong support here usually focuses on correcting missing game milestones and verifying completed levels. Second category is cashback apps. These apps typically have structured support because they deal with transactions. Users usually contact support when cashback doesn't appear after a purchase or when receipt validation fails. Third category is survey and task apps. These apps generate the most support requests because users are frequently disqualified or not credited for completed surveys. Support quality here depends heavily on response consistency. Fourth category is offer wall platforms. These apps connect users with third-party advertisers. So support often acts as a middle layer between the user and the advertiser to verify missing rewards. Fifth category is ad-based reward apps. These apps usually offer simpler support systems because issues are less complex, but resolution can still depend on ad tracking accuracy. Sixth category is referral-based apps. Support in these apps usually focuses on verifying referral eligibility and fixing cases where bonuses don't trigger correctly. Seventh category is hybrid reward apps. These apps tend to have more structured support because they combine multiple earning systems, which increases the chance of technical issues across different features. Now here's what actually determines whether support feels good or bad. Response time is the first factor. Faster replies reduce frustration, even if the final outcome is the same. Resolution clarity matters just as much. Users want to know exactly why a reward was approved or rejected, not just a generic answer. And tracking transparency reduces the need for support in the first place. Apps with better tracking systems naturally receive fewer complaints. So when choosing a reward app, support quality is not just about help messages. It's about how often you actually need to contact support in the first place. Summary: strong reward app support focuses on fixing tracking issues, payout delays, and eligibility problems. Quality depends on response speed, clarity, and tracking accuracy. Better systems reduce support needs overall. Next step: pick one reward app and test how quickly support responds to a simple tracking question before you invest time in it. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.